Hey, it's Steve. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Blood, Sweat, and Tears. Today I'm going to do a little video on our Forest River Salem 27 RK, and the RK stands for rear kitchen. So far we haven't had a chance to take it out yet. We are going to, we just haven't got around to it yet. We had some things going on we're trying to get taken care of. But see these boards right here? Those are stabilizers. I made them. I haven't made any for the front yet, but I will. Just a quick walk around from the outside, and then we'll go inside and check it out. So far we like it. We've spent the night out here just testing it out. But here is here's our flat grill and our kitchen, our mini kitchen, if you will. There's our flat grill. Pull that out, and then there's our piping and stuff like that for the propane. And refrigerator. And it's pretty small, but it's good for just putting drinks or whatever in it. And this just folds right back up. That. And there's the stabilizer again. It's got the awning that goes all the way across with LED lights on it. It's all electric. Down this side, a skinny window for the master bedroom. And this is your pass-through compartment. Right now I've got a couple totes in there. And there's your lug socket for your stabilizer jacks. And here's the front battery box. Two propane tanks going on there. And then there's your on-off switch for your battery right there. So, all right, let's go inside and take a quick peek at that. Okay. I think I have the slide out in, so we'll take that out. So when you first walk in, you've got your control. Ouch! You got to duck a little bit. It just knocked my head. It's your water pump, water heater, lights for the awning, and lights for in here. So there's that. And then this is your slide out, and we're going to go ahead and take that out. And it's going out right now. Yeah, this is a 2021 model, and pretty spacious with the slide out. Makes a big difference, huh? Okay, and that's the normal clicking noise you get when you get to the furthest point out. So yeah, we've already started putting some stuff in here for when we go out. This is the kitchen table, dining room table, and then your refrigerator. Right here's your pantry. Pretty good sized pantry. Freezer, refrigerator. And there's your stove. Microwave. Cabinets. Your sink. There's a lot of drawers underneath too. And there's some more of our stuff down there. You got two recliners. This one comes with a fireplace. I haven't put the TV in yet. TV's gonna go right there. I think I can get a 55 in there. And then we can run around here to the back, nice and slow. Nice old place to put a trash can right there. storage. Nice little vanity. We've got something that goes here. It's for your toothbrushes and stuff. Yeah, this is the bathroom. Light switch. A little towel rack. Ceiling fan. Side to shower. Nice little light. You come out of the bathroom and you go left, and then you come into the master bedroom, or really the only bedroom. And we just put a brand new memory foam mattress on it. And then it's got a place for a TV right here. Your hookups are up there. So yeah, this is the master. And here's that window I was telling you about, the long window. Skinny. 2 storage areas, one there, right there. And then you got little cubby holes there for charging your phone. You got them on both sides. Window. And then this is the view from coming out of the bedroom. And you're coming back into the living room area and the kitchen area. Yeah, so this is pretty nice little rig. Just what we need. So yeah, all right. I appreciate you guys checking out the channel, checking out my camper. It's Forest River by Salem. It's a Salem model RT for rear kitchen. Once again, thanks for checking us out. Hey, make sure you like and subscribe right there. It doesn't cost anything, and it sure helps our channel out a lot. Until next time, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.